Why vending machine insurance is important. Time to go check out my office. Alright, let's go. Oh, I tripped on something. What is it? Oh, it's a can of Coke. I wonder how that got here. Oh, let's go to my office. Let's go figure out. Oh my gosh, like what just happened? Coke. No, it's Mountain Dew. 1 moment later. $1,000, please. By the way, that was not cloak. Sigh. Here. You see, vending machine insurance is important. Meanwhile, the Coke machine has problems. Then it nuked the place. So then the city exploded. The end. Well, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, be sure to hit the bell and hit the subscribe button too. And hit the like button too. Bye guys.